help out with some bird banding. And we went yesterday. It was really great. Saw some Clark's nutcrackers and like all kinds of Rosy finches. But I'm driving up by myself today in my little Subaru, and things are looking kind of hairy. So I just got to the foot of the mountain, and it started snowing crazy. And they're requiring snow chains, which I don't have, or 4x4. I'm all-wheel drive, so I'm hoping it'll be fine. But this is gonna be interesting. Wow, it's snowing hard enough that you can't see like any of the mountains. So we're in a big valley, Little Cottonwood, right now, and you would have no idea. Somehow someone ended up backwards. Poor guy. Kind of wondering, like, if I'm gonna be snowed in today. I don't know. We'll find out. I might be spending the night up here, which is fine. They have a bar. I'm good. But it's not something I planned. Alright, I'm like literally so close. Actually, I think that's it right there. So there's a ski shop and there's a bar right across the street from the banding place. So, assuming everyone else is there, which I'm not entirely sure that's the case, I should be able to go hold some birds, which is cool. I literally can't see, it's snowing so hard. Yeah, I made it. This will be quite the day, I think. A lot of Rosy finches. So we've been trying to catch the Rosy finches in these cages, which I think used to be like dove cages or something. But we haven't had a ton of luck so far. I'll try to get a video of me with one of the birds if we catch one, but I can't guarantee I'll get anything. Come on, guys. Can you take a picture like that has Terry and I in it? Yeah, so I'm headed back down the mountain, and they actually closed the mountain for like an hour and a half to do, like, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I guess they set up avalanches, so or avalanche control or something. Yeah, so they closed the road for like an hour and a half, and then they just reopened it, and there's this like mad rush to get down the mountain because there's like a ton of skiers today because it's like fresh powder, you know, fairly warm out, good skiing. So I've been stuck behind this Jeep for like 15 minutes, maybe 20, and I haven't moved. So it's gonna be a long drive home, but I was able to get out of the parking lot fine, and I don't think the roads are too bad. I mean, they're bad, but they're not like impassable. So we'll see. But yeah, it was a really good day, and I got to know the other people pretty well. And it sounds like they're gonna do some more banding, like in April. So they're inviting us back, which is good.